Hi beauties! Today I'll be telling you about a great online beauty store called ELLEDAMBeauty.com. This is the online destination for all of your hair and beauty needs. If you shop on beauty supply websites like Sally's Beauty or ebonyline.com, this is the perfect alternative. Today I'll be reviewing, unboxing, and showing you how to use this Jamaican black castor oil by ELLEDAM Beauty. ELLEDAMBeauty.com has a clean look, is easy to navigate, and is quick loading. Store carries everything from wigs to makeup and skincare products to carrier oils and, of course, hair products. Items listed are in stock and top reputable brands are sold here. Shipping. This order arrived within 7 business days. The order arrived in good condition with contents and box intact. Unboxing Jamaican Black Castor Oil by ELLEDAM Beauty. This product is 100% pure, 100% natural, organic, chemical-free, and unrefined. Jamaican Black Castor Oil by ELLEDAM Beauty comes in a 4-ounce amber glass bottle. Bottle comes sealed and with a child-resistant dropper for dispensing. The glass oil dropper provided is a convenient way to get just the right amount of oil. The amber bottle makes sure that the oil maintains its potency, as protection of unrefined organic oil is necessary. The consistency of this oil is very thick. It is very moisturizing. It has a slight tint. It has a slightly dark smell, but it is pleasant. I will be adding a few drops of lavender oil to the bottle for additional fragrance and benefits, and you can do that too with your favorite essential oil. There are many ways to use this miracle oil on hair and skin. I will be using this oil to grow out, strengthen, and thicken my natural hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows. Apply this oil sparingly to your hair or your skin. To apply this oil, dispense a few drops of oil to your palm, rub together, and then rub onto skin or hair. Oil absorbs fast into skin, hair, and nails. ELLEDAMBeauty.com carries 6 different kinds of pure, all-natural, organic carrier oil. Pick up this organic, pure miracle oil today at ELLEDAMBeauty.com and start your journey in getting long, strong, moisturized hair and soft skin. Review. For me, all-natural hair care and skincare products are key. I give this Jamaican Black Castor Oil 5 out of 5 stars. I would recommend this oil to anyone who wants to nurture, protect, and grow their hair. This oil would be great for anyone who suffers from dry skin. Shop at ELLEDAMBeauty.com today.